Muy bien, ya estás lista. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Marta and I have here my little niece. I already did a video with her a few weeks ago. That one was in Spanish, but we are here today to do, last video I did her makeup. She looked so cute. But now she's gonna do my makeup. So this is gonna be exciting. And fun. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you gonna make me look pretty?
Yes.
Okay. So I have this basket right here. It's full of makeup. Lo que es para los ojos está de este lado. Y lo que es para la cara está de este lado. ¿Entendéis?
Yes, some days.
I don't think I'm ready. Okay. Okay. Este va primero en toda la cara. Foundation goes on top. She told me to scream. Do not poke my eye.
I'm gonna poke you.
Don't poke me.
You're gonna poke me.
Oh, don't poke me.
I'm gonna go. You're a little cry baby. You're the scary girl.
I scooped. What do you think is the next step? She's really good. Espérate! She was about to open it like this.
She is crazy.
Good, please. Now put it wherever you think it goes.
And your cheeks.
This is so relaxing. I want to fall asleep. Dang.
Wake up.
Okay, so where are you going to put that?
In your whole face. This is from ELF.
That's their highlighter. She's actually using the right brush for that. She's going to put it on my face as a setting powder.
Is this one?
Mm-hmm.
You look so pretty.
So creepy. I thought you were going to make me look pretty.
Nah, you're not.
Am I glowing like a unicorn? Yes. What's next? That's the Makeup Geek bronzer. Next, she chose a liquid glow from Anastasia.
So pretty.
No. We're moving on to eyeshadows.
She's looking so glittery. Glitter first.
Oh god. Okay, it's either this one or this one. I'm surprised she knows her brushes.
You're a makeup fan?
Aw, did you say you're my fan?
Mm-hmm.
I gave her like a few options for eyeshadows. I gave her this one, which is so pretty. Or this one, the Anastasia.
Not so pretty.
Not so pretty.
No.
I knew you. I knew she was gonna like this one. It's just so pretty, huh?
Yo, let me take it.
Or this one.
You are fired.
Had a feeling she was gonna want that. And she is starting on the eyes.
I used this color. Yes. Yes.
Her face, she's so excited.
Nah.
Am I pretty?
Get your eye.
I'm so scared right now. She's gonna poke my eye. Whew.
So pretty, you just have to wipe that.
It's okay, it happens to all of us. My niece is currently doing my makeup. How am I looking so far? She is doing it, ladies and gentlemen. She is going to go for a liquid eyeliner.
See?
Her face. Are you drawing on me?
No. Okay, yes.
Oh, wow.
So now I'm gonna use this one because it goes with this.
We're adding more glitter. And more glitter. You choose the lip color. Has to be quick or my camera's gonna die. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. How did my niece do? Her name is Alexa, by the way. I don't know if I said She's my niece, and she just did a good job doing my makeup. Now I look like a unicorn. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Right now, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. And let me know in the comments that you're new so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Ok, rapidito les voy a mandar saludos a Cristina Reyes, Nicole Benítez, Neisa Ramírez desde Bolivia, Sonia Vakis de Houston, Texas, y María Barberena. Muchísimas gracias por su apoyo, por sus lindos comentarios y por suscribirse a mi canal. Si subo videos en inglés y en español.
También quiero saludar a mi papá y mamá. Hola. Si te gustó, por favor, dame muchos corazoncitos y happy faces.
Pero muchos, muchos. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your love and support. I will see you in my next video. Bye.